So guys, in this video, I am going to just try and make $100. Okay, and let's see how that goes. So there are a few things you need to know in this video about the strategy IQ. Okay, for more information, you can actually watch my other videos in this channel. But if this is your first time getting to come across this channel, this is the strategy IQ. It is a derivative trading bot built into a separate web app for safety and to avoid manipulation from the weak. We are at 18,000. I'm just going to try and make $100 on this video. I will I will wait for a good moment to start the bot. For more information on how to know when to start the bot, visit our Telegram channel. I will leave a link in the description to know more about the bot. Okay. I am going now to wait for the market to get to a certain position before I run my trades. If it doesn't, there are still a few things you need to look out for before you start trading. And I think I've seen my position and I'm going to start this bot. Okay, now watch how it's going to keep printing money within the minutes. Okay, just $100 and I'll end this video. Okay, thank God. I will use this opportunity to explain something. The first entry was a loss because obviously I didn't enter well. But like I said, our bot does not lose twice on a row. It uses Martingale system multiplied by 15. That being said, if you are looking to stake $1, you need to have $16 in your account so that you can make it back on the next trade. With after you lose the $1, it will stake $15 and will make you extra $2. Okay, recovering your loss and making you more profit. This is how this robot will continue to map out this trade and keep getting you profits. It trades higher and lower on volatility 100. Okay, sometimes it trades on volatility 10, depending on whichever market you choose. Like I told you, this bot is going to make us $100 right now within 2 minutes. You could easily make as much money as you want with this bot, but for the sake of argument and for newcomers who don't know how to trade, we're going to keep this simple. Let's see how much or how long it's going to take us to get to $100. Okay, so there is another thing you need to know about this robot. It trades. You can do this anytime you want. There is no limit to how many times you can start this bot or stop the bot. Okay. The main thing is that you pick a good point to get started, to start the bot. To know more and to see the best entry points for this bot, visit our Telegram channel or use the link in the comments to know more about this bot. This will probably be best bot you will see out there. If at any time you've seen any bot like this in the market, let me know and that will get you free access. There is nothing like this out there right now. As you can see, we have made our money. We've clocked $100. Actually, we made about $117, guys. Okay, we made about $117. That easy. That easy. I'm not sure it's up to 2 minutes though, but let's call it 2 minutes. On my next video, I will add a stop clock so you can see how much exactly. We are still at 275 wins with 28 losses. Okay, don't go out of your way to overtrade on this board. The best thing to do with this board is three entries and you are out of the market. Because when you get access, you are going to get a lifetime access. So you really don't need to rush it. You have this board with you all day, every day, making money. With our new update coming out by next week or the upper week, you will be notified on Telegram for when is the best time to pick trade with this bot. Awesome. All you need to do is when you get the Telegram notification, come here and click on the play button. You really don't need to know how to trade. Guys, this is huge. You don't need to know anything about trading. Just click the play button and you start making money. Even if it loses, you would make it back on your next trade. You are you are function or everything you need to do is to make sure that you have enough money to make back your next trade, to make back your Matengo. Okay. I hope this makes sense. I am going to end this video here because I already reached my target profit, and you should have a target profit for every session you want to trade. You should have a target profit, and once you hit that profit target, end the session, wait for like an hour, then you can start back the robot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making it for you. See you guys on the next one. And if you have any question, please don't forget to leave it on the comment section, and I will try as much as possible to attend to it. See you on the next one. Bye bye.